For this app note, we will show how to use a timer instruction. For this example, we will be using the SG2 Client version 3.4 software in conjunction with the Windows 7 operating system. All examples will be shown using a ladder logic program with the SG2-10HR-A model type selected. We will insert a timer instruction into rung 001, column 007. For this example, we will set the timer to the following parameters. The timer element number will be T01. The output type will be a general output type. For the timing function, we will use mode 1, which is an on-delay timer. The time base will be set for 1 second. The preset value will be set for 0005. The preset type will be an N type, which is a numeric constant that is defined by the user. For the following two examples, we will use the timer instruction as a contact. In the first example, we will be using the timer 01 as a normally open contact. When the I01 contact closes, the T01 timer begins timing. The T01 normally open contact is open and the Q01 output is not engaged. When the T01 timer reaches the preset time, the T01 coil activates, which causes the T01 normally open contact to close, thus engaging the Q01 output. The second example we will show will use the timer 01 as a normally closed contact. When the I01 contact closes, the T01 timer begins timing. The T01 normally closed contact is closed and the Q01 output is engaged. When the T01 timer reaches the preset time, the T01 coil activates, causing the T01 normally closed contact to open, thus disengaging the Q01 output. For further details pertaining to the individual timer modes, please refer to the SG2 user manual.